Can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey. We're making good progress with the strip out. Only a few things left to do. One is stripping out the kitchen, which is going to be a good job. The other is stripping out the rest of the ceiling. And the third thing is stripping out the floor. And then we're basically there. We've got the second level as well. I want to finish this whole section before we get onto that. There's not much else to say other than to just get the old crowbar out and start to smash some shit up. I'm ready to go. Just putting out the first part of the kitchen, and look how wet it is down here. Look at all this insulation. Water just below the floorboards in this whole rear section of the boat. The water isn't surprising. There's water ingress all over the place, and I think the main reason for that is that the seals have rusted, and that's been letting rainwater in over time. It's super wet down here, and I think this is probably the lowest part of the boat, which sort of stands to reason as to why it's got so much water. But again, until you put all this out, you don't know what's underneath. So to be sure you've got a shipwright vessel, you've kind of got to take it all apart. Good to be getting it dry at least.
Take a walk through my salad garden, we'll be growing goodness tonight. Take a nibble on my death.
Good progress this morning. We have ripped out the entire left side of the kitchen. Loads of wires here. Big old power cables, but some regular power cables as well. That's all coming out. Shipbuilder here said we can get some money from the scrapyard for that wiring. But good progress, time for lunch. One of the advantages of having done a van before a boat is that I have a little canteen that I can make lunch in. With some soup, some little sandwiches and some crisps. What more could you want? The time has come to finally rip out this blue kitchen right at the back of the boat. Sad times. Goodbye, kitchen.
When you water in, it's time that we made plans, so let
On my way home, finished stripping out the entire kitchen, which is amazing. There's a big pile of junk though, so I think what we're going to have to do over the next couple of days is take it to the tip. Might have to do that solo as well. But Mariah's back on the team in a couple of days. She's just playing gigs and bringing in some sweet, sweet moolah. Good day. Heading home for a bit of food. All right, another day tomorrow. If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling T-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.